welcome back to my video once more. Glad to have you once more here again. It's Daniel. I am your website development tutor. And so in today's video, I want to be showing you guys how you can link different type of pages together on your website. So I hope you guys are well understanding every video you are learning, and let's move on to the next feature. I want to be showing you guys in HTML language. So in HTML, there are some simple codes that are being used to link different pages of information together on a website. So please follow this process as I'll be showing you step by step on how we can link pages together on your website. So these are the codes to use in linking pages of information on your website. So you start with a href tag. So this A means an anchor tag. It's an anchor tag that handles any link that will be placed in your website. So this href means the type of link, and it's telling your browser that this type of text or code is a link. So to link another page or on your website for users to have access to other pages, you use this code. So now we want to link another page of information on our website. So you just type in ahref equals to then double quotes, and you input the name of the page you already created. So let's say I created a page and named it let's say blog. So once you include blog, which is the name of the page you created, it just includes .html because it's an HTML page, so you have to include .html. So once you've included blog.html, you then type in the value you want to be displayed on the text. So because we're linking text together. In the other videos, I'll be showing you how you can use images as a linking tool to another page. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how you can link text, using text to link to a different page on a website. So once you've included this code, so this means the name of the page of information you already created separately. So, but before we proceed, let's say you want to create the blog now. So you just start with your normal HTML code, HTML head, and after the head you have a title, and the title of the page. Let's say it's blog. So now you say my blog. Then you go under, close the title. So but before we continue, let's try to make sure that we save it and name it as the name of page we included right here in my website. So make sure you save this in the same folder where you saved this my website page you created. So let's name this blog.html. So this is going to be saved in the same folder you have your other page of information you created. So let's say this is blog.html, so that it will be easier to be linked with the pages will be linked together. It's going to be blog.html. So you save that. So this is going to be automatically saved as an HTML file. So you also don't forget to close your head tag section where you have your title. So let's say you want to include some information on my blog page now. So let's say you open with your body tag, and then you can just write, this is my blog, I am happy to have you here, for example, and then you can just close the body. Better still, you can still include a p tag, which means a paragraph. So you want to leave a paragraph right after you include, this is my blog, I'm happy to have you here, for example. So I just type this, for example. This is just an example. It's not really necessary you type this, you can type in whatever you want. And so you can then close with your HTML tag. So you have created this blog page now, and so that is what we have here. So this is the name of the page, and this is the code used in linking the page. So let's say save this, and so always make sure you save your work. Sorry. Okay, I would like to open that once more. File. So this is it. This is the folder I need, if you recall, and this is the page we're working on. This is the blog page I would like to link with this one. So I will open that. So that will be opened in a section here separately on your application. So now let's include the text that will be displayed, that will then be linked to this page of information. So this is my website.html. So we want to write something like, so you want to decorate your text, and then you can include your I tag, which functions as an italics. It changes your text to italics. So let's say you want to type click here to go to my blog. So this text is going to be the link to this page that we already created, and so this is going to be how you can link to another page. And don't forget to close also with your anchor tag. So this A is anchor, it's called the anchor tag, and you also close with anchor tag, and this is in italics now. So don't forget to also close your body, because you opened with the body tag of your website. So let's save this and run it on Chrome and see how it looks like. So this is saved, and so you refresh. So once you refresh it, and then you see that it's in italics, and then it has a default color which is blue. And if you notice, we didn't give it any color, but the browser just automatically, its default link theme color is blue. So the browser gave the color blue because it's a link. So once you click on this link, you will be led to where it's written, this is my blog, I'm happy to have you here. So once you go back, you will be led back to where you have your link. So this was made possible by including this simple code of information here. So Do not forget to save the same pages on the same folder for it to properly work. And this was made possible because I already linked this page using these codes here. Here, blog.html. So this blog.html is the name of this page I created. So you can see where it says, "This is my blog. I'm happy to have you here." So to make sure that this is right, you just need to go to the file manager, and I will show you how it's been arranged in order for the linking to work. And so you just head to the folder where you have your your page of information. So I saved mine as my HTML. So I saved it on the desktop. So I'm just gonna head there now. So this is my HTML file folder. So this folder handles every HTML work that I've been doing. So this is already a page of information that I made, that we are working on, and this is the blog where we used to link with this one when you click on it. So you see this is my blog. This is my blog. I'm happy to have you. So these are the codes used in linking different pages of information on your website. So to use images instead, let's say we were to use an image instead of a text. So all you need to do is just to clear this text, clear it out, and then we want to select this image, for example, pick one, and don't forget you need to copy the name of this image in order for you to use it in developing the codes that will be displayed on the browser. So you copy that, and then you head back to your application, and then you use the normal codes used in placing images instead. So you just type in image src, open double colon, type in, paste the name of the image there, and you input the format at pic1.jpg. You can leave it in the default height, but you might like to reduce it, and then you can do this instead by including the width. Sorry, I forgot to close it. Close width. So include the width of the image, which is going to be, let's give it 20 pixels. So give it 20 pixels, and then you leave space. You want to give your image and height. I said image has a height of also, let's say, 30 pixels now. So this is just for example. You can increase the width and height of the image to any pixels you like. So I would just like to prefer using 20 pixels and 30 pixels. So this is the image we have here already. So you need to clear this italic tag because we do not need it. It's an image, not a text. If you were to use a text, you can use the italic tag. So let's save it and see, run it on Chrome, see how it works. So we can head back, and there you have it. It's an image already that's going serves as a link to the next page of information you created. So we would like to, you can readjust this image for it to be clear enough. So I just want to stop here, you guys. I want you guys to really take note of the codes and the processes and steps I'm using to add images to include a link or to link pages of information together on your website. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video, and in the next video I will be showing you guys how to add a background image on your website. So thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please, if you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video with any other one you feel might be interested in having the basic knowledge about web development, and if you would like to get in touch with my other important videos, I suggest you subscribe so that you won't miss any videos I'll be releasing on the web development. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.